Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the sidebar disappearing issue in your Brave browser really quickly with one click of your mouse. So let us get started. Alright, so head over to the Brave browser on your laptop or on your desktop computer, guys. And as you can see here on my home screen, I am given access to that sidebar. However, if you don't see that sidebar, if it disappeared accidentally because you maybe turned it off accidentally, all you need to do, guys, is enable it again. To do that, simply click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And what you want to do after that is head over to that, or hover your mouse over that feature here, sidebar. And here you will see three options: on, auto, hide, and off. So if you accidentally turn the sidebar off, let me do that really quickly for demonstration purposes. As you can see, it will disappear. So you may enable the sidebar really quickly by clicking on selecting on or auto hide, depending on your preference. And if you leave it at auto hide, for example, it will be hidden, but you may simply enable it again by clicking on here, or access it through these icons here at the top, show sidebar. So that's it, guys. That's how you enable the sidebar on your Brave browser home screen. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.